Hello and welcome back to the Hornby Magazine workshop, where we're talking all about Revolution Train's first O-gauge model. This limited edition of Direct Rail Services Class 37/4 37405. Next to me today on the O-gauge test track is Revolution Train's first ready-to-run O-gauge model. This is a limited edition which is commissioned from Heljan, and it models 37405 in Direct Rail Services compass livery. This unique limited edition is only available direct from Revolution Trains, and it is its first step into the world of 7mm scale ready-to-run models. This limited edition uses the standard Heljan model as its basis. Now, that was first released in 2019, and you can see one of the previous versions just behind my shoulder here. This new version for Revolution Trains comes along with a new batch from Heljan as well, so there's a number of mainstream releases as well, but here we're focusing on 37405. Highlights of the model include twin 5-pole motors with brass flywheels. There's drive to the outer axle of each of the 6-wheel bogies. You get turned metal wheels. You get sprung buffers and a fully detailed buffer beam. Now, this particular example of 37405 has already been sound fitted, and it's been loaned to us by one of the friends of Hornby Magazine. It's got a Zimo decoder inside, together with a Digitrain sound file, and it sounds absolutely superb, as we'll show you in a moment, outside on the Hornby Magazine Garden Railway. However, the most important thing about this locomotive is its livery application, and Heljan has done a superb job of capturing the details of the Direct Rail Services compass livery. That goes right down to period correct electrification warning flashes, superb printing of the main body side logos. There's also neat printing of the locomotive numbers, and all the important parts around the bogies, including the axle box and the springs, are picked out in individual colours as well. This is a cracking edition from Revolution Trains, and it's going to look great out on modern traction layouts. Right now though, I think it's time we found a train for this locomotive and put it to test out on the Garden Railway. As you can see in here, 37405 sounds and looks great out on the Garden Railway. I've been really impressed with the standard of work that's been achieved by Heljan on behalf of Revolution Trains with this complex livery, and hopefully it will be the first of many O-gauge models from Revolution Trains. Now you can read our full review of 37405 in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 167, the May 2021 issue. For now though, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.